after President Vladimir Putin created a draft federal law that would allow the country to quickly repair weapons and military equipment. For the first time, Russia has admitted that it is running out of weapons in the Ukraine war. The Kremlin submitted a bill to the State Duma on special economic measures for counter-terrorist and other operations outside of Russia. An explanatory note attached to the bill said that there is, particularly amid Putin's war against Ukraine, a short-term increased need for the repair of weapons and military equipment. The bill proposed, among other measures, the implementation of material assets from state reserves and the temporary activation of mobilization capacities in facilities, as well as overtime work in individual organizations. The text of the draft law notes the need for Russia to repair its weapons and military equipment amid a special military operation in the territories of the Donetsk People's Republic, the Luhansk People's Republic and Ukraine, referring to the war against Ukraine, which Putin launched late February. This marks the first time Russia has signaled that it is suffering huge military losses in its war against Ukraine. Ukrainian officials regularly provide updates on Russian military losses. On Friday, the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said on Facebook that so far, Russia has lost 35,750 military personnel, 1,577 tanks, 3,736 armored combat vehicles, 796 artillery systems, 246 multiple rocket launchers, 105 air defense systems, 217 aircraft, 645 operational tactical UAVs, 15 ships boats, 2,610 vehicles and tankers, and 186 helicopters. Russian officials have so far publicly denied that Moscow is having difficulties sustaining Putin's war effort. The British Defense Ministry noted in an intelligence update late May that Russia's decision to deploy old Soviet-era tanks on the battlefield highlighted Russia's shortage of modern, combat-ready equipment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.